Last night, the minute my head hit the pillow, I was out and I slept till 9 o'clock in the morning. Perhaps 6,500 kilometers in a month is starting to catch up to me. In the morning at Shepody, I like to grab a coffee and go down here, right on this little pond, and sit and listen to the horses calling to each other out on the dam. Sometimes you'll get lucky and the frogs will come up to sun themselves in the morning sun. Today I was lucky. There was all kinds of them. And then I was treated to this. I don't know what they're doing. It's swallows, and they're dive bombing the water. I don't know what they're catching, but sometimes I thought that they weren't going to be able to get out of the water. But anyway, I've never seen this before, and I sat and watched it for, a good 5 to 10 minutes. And just as quickly as it started, it stopped. It's almost 11 o'clock. So I lollygagged quite a bit here in Shepody, but I decided, well, you know what, I guess I better start getting packed up and getting ready to go. So I went and had a nice hot shower and a great breakfast. And we're not going far today. We're just going to wander around locally here. Then likely head for home, something around 2:30, 3 o'clock, something like that, I guess. We'll see how it goes. Since it's August the 29th and I've got to go back to work next week, this will probably be the last trip that I'm able to get in this year. So I'm in no rush for it to end.
Free where the wild winds blow, endless skies and the earth below. Feel the sun as it warms my soul. No more chains, I'm in control.
Have you ever had days when you felt like Andy Dufresne after he escaped from prison? Feels like that for me today. Not far to go today. We're just heading down the road to King Street in Riverside, Albert. There we'll find the old Bank of New Brunswick Museum.
Ride the wind, chase the light. Take flight, leave the past, don't look behind, run with dreams, the world is mine.
Well, here we are at the old Bank of New Brunswick Museum. The building is no ordinary structure, but a distinguished old bank that served two esteemed institutions, the Old Bank of New Brunswick and the post-amalgamation in 1939, the Bank of Nova Scotia. The building is steeped in a century of history, such as its 1.5-kilometer move in 1928 on log skids. Designed specifically to function as a bank, it served Riverside community from 1903 in its initial strategic position, the wharf, and a sizable hotel in Riverside. It was ideal for both arriving and deporting merchants and seafarers. And in 1984, it was robbed and caused a significant stir in the community. While the two perpetrators were apprehended and convicted, the stolen money of $177,000 was never recovered. Now, full disclosure, this day when I was here, the bank was closed. Apparently, it's undergoing renovations and some new exhibits, and I was told that it should be open within the next season. Next stop is more of a tradition than anything else. Fundy Coastal Farms, they sell handmade sea soap and sea salt from the Bay of Fundy.
Golden waves in the morning glow. Mountains high where the rivers flow. Every step a brand new way. Boundless hope in a brand new day.
Fundy Coast Farms, they make a great natural product. Their soap is really good for your skin if it's dry. And I think it's also a good thing to support local businesses.
Ride the wind, chase the light, through the fields, hearts take flight, leave the past, don't look behind, run with dreams, the world is mine.
And just one more stop before I turn the bike for home. Crooked Creek Look-Off. I have everything to thank for the guys from New Brunswick for showing me this. I didn't know this existed. And the really nice thing about this look-off is any motorcycle can get up here. You don't need an adventure bike.
Through the valleys, through the sky, I will soar, I'll never hide. Feel the freedom, hear the call. This is life, I'll take it all.
Also, just below the look-off is the Crooked Creek Road. Now, I hear that it's a nice little spot to visit, but that road is a little more gnarly than I want to try today. So, by myself with the big bike, I'm not going to try it, but the next time I'm back here with the Tenere 700, I will. And maybe I'll grab one of you New Brunswick guys to come along with me. All right, all set, heading back to PEI. I'm forgetting something. Aha! Earplugs. Isn't that maddening? You get on the bike, get all set to go, all ready, helmets on, and oh yeah, earplugs. I don't usually wear them if I'm just short hopping, but when I have a long ride, like I have coming up here from Crooked Creek all the way back to Charlottetown, PEI, I usually will wear them then. This top section, it's a little bit beat up, so if you're up here with something with not much ground clearance, I would take your time here. That's Beaumont over there. There's some nice riding on that side. So on the way through Hillsborough, I always like to stop and see the old Voodoo and the New Brunswick Train Museum. I'm not going to stop today, but I'm going to do a little drive-through. If you're a train buff, this place is really cool. They've added a lot of new exhibits this year. Well, maybe not this year, but over the last couple of years, they've added a lot. And They've really got it fixed up too. It's really quite impressive. It's worth your time. I would stop for sure and see it if you've never been there. I have to stop here for gas too, so I'll get gas, and gas from Hillsborough will take me all the way back to PEI. There's not usually cars parked right here, so I can usually just squeeze right through. Bit of a tight squeeze, but nothing the Tenere can't do. Some of the very best moments in life are the unplanned ones. Don't let lack of a plan stop you. Just go.